Have you ever pondered what it means to truly live a balanced life? Today, we're delving into the art of balance and the various components that play a role in achieving it. Balance is more than just evenly distributing your time between work and leisure. It's about the harmony between body, mind, and soul. It's about incorporating fitness, relationships, learning, and financial well-being into your lifestyle. Consider fitness, not just as an obligation, but as a vital part of your daily routine. Whether it's a new yoga pose, a challenging weightlifting session, or a brisk early morning jog, physical activity is a key player in maintaining our overall health. And then there's the importance of nurturing relationships. We're not just talking about personal relationships, but also those with colleagues. A positive work environment can significantly improve job satisfaction, productivity, and mental well-being. So invest time in building these relationships. Language learning is another aspect of a balanced life. Being multilingual not only opens up a world of opportunities, but also exercises the brain, enhancing cognitive abilities. So, pick up a new language, maybe French, Spanish, or even sign language. Financial planning too plays a crucial role. It's not just about saving every penny, but understanding where your money goes and making informed decisions. Remember, financial security isn't an overnight achievement. Don't forget to connect with nature. A hike on a new trail, a walk in the park, or even a simple picnic can bring a sense of peace and rejuvenation. Have a project in mind? DIY projects can be a great way to express creativity while also achieving a sense of accomplishment. So pick up that paintbrush or start building that coffee table you've been thinking about. Knowledge is infinite. Documentaries, online courses, podcasts, they all offer a wealth of information. Make time to learn something new every day. Pets, they're more than just animals. They're companions, therapists, and bringers of unconditional love. Cherish your relationship with them. Home improvement projects, trying out new recipes, learning a musical instrument, attending cultural events, exploring art forms. They all contribute to a well-rounded lifestyle. So as we wrap up, remember that balance is not about perfection. It's about making conscious decisions to maintain harmony between various aspects of life. Fitness, relationships, learning, financial well-being, and more. Every step you take towards this balance, no matter how small, is a step towards a healthier, happier you.